Okay, guys, let's do a quick recap of what happened today. Today, pre-market was a great place to be. Our first trade was a power play. It was short a little bit after 7:30. That trade went up to 100 pennies if one held it. I only took poor management. I only took 30 pennies out of the trade. A little bit disappointed with it. That's life. That is life, and yes, all the way down, and I only took 30 pennies. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I took 100 pennies or 80 pennies. I took 30. Second trade of the day was slightly after 10:30. Like a fool, I allowed this trade to go against me. It was a great entry, smart entry for all the right reasons. Didn't take any profit. I took a 20 penny loss when it went against me. Third trade of the day was right around, right before 11:30, I believe. That trade I took 15 pennies on. It came back down and what I call said hello, and then kept going. Now the next trade, which happened to be very good, 11:57. That went, well, they're all good. It's just a matter of how you manage your trades. And today I did a lousy job at managing my trades, which does happen. Last trade of the day, 11:57. It was long. It was what we call an S play. Went 60 pennies, took 60 pennies. Turned out to be a very good day. The point is that if you look at the first trade of the day, you take 30 pennies out of a trade that went 100 pennies. That was absolutely 100% the wrong way to manage a trade. But that's what makes us human, even myself. The methodology, beautiful. Very, just wonderful. Great. But the way I managed the trade was atrocious. Some students were able to hold the trade. What I normally do is I get into the trade, and depending on how many contracts I have on, I'll always go back to entry, and I didn't do it, and that's foolish, and that's what happened here when I went minus 20 pennies on this, because we use a 20 penny stop. But you know what? Again, the day turned out to be pretty good. Net 60, 70, 60, 75, 30, 105 pennies minus the 20. So, I mean, if you look at it all, I think anybody would sit there and trade their day with us. And that's with managing trades horribly. So, there are no problems with that. We're getting ready to launch, as you're probably well aware of, our worldwide, here we are, the DNA of trading. FuturesTradingCoach.com, Trading Made Easy, LLC. I've been around for over 20 years. I've been under the radar. I want to make every single person out there as successful as I can. If you have questions, concerns, comments, give me an email at info@futurestradingcoach.com. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Leave me a phone number, and I will be more than happy to contact you. My job is to make you the best trader you can be. Until tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. We only trade in the morning, and we are out of here. Have a great one.